Imagine walking into a professional office, and instead of a human therapist, you're greeted by a cat, complete with glasses perched on its nose. The cat leans back in its chair, looking all too serious. You sit down, feeling a mix of confusion and amusement. "I just can't stop overthinking everything," you confess. The cat, with a nonchalant flick of its tail, replies, "Have you tried knocking things off shelves? Works for me." Next, you find yourself in a session with a parrot. "Repeat after me. I am worthy. I am enough." It squawks, repeating the phrase 20 times without pause. You can't help but wonder if this is therapy or a bizarre chant. Then there's the squirrel, darting around the office, frantically rearranging everything. The secret to anxiety is preparation. "Hide nuts everywhere," it exclaims, as it shoves acorns into every nook and cranny. You start to question if this is really the advice you need. And then, the rat therapist chimes in with a philosophical twist. "When the maze of life confuses you, follow the cheese of your intuition." You ponder this for a moment, trying to decipher the metaphor, but all you can think about is cheese. Suddenly, the screen splits, showing the chaos of terrible animal advice juxtaposed with actual therapy techniques. You see the contrast between the absurdity of the animal wisdom and the grounded, evidence-based practices of human therapists. It's a wild comparison that makes you chuckle. In the corner, a human psychologist watches the whole spectacle unfold, initially horrified but eventually bursting into laughter. It's a reminder that sometimes the most ridiculous advice can shine a light on the truth in unexpected ways. As the session wraps up, you realize that while these animal therapists might not offer the best guidance, they certainly provide a good laugh. And sometimes, the worst advice makes the best point, or at least the funniest story.